In this video, you will learn how to create global macro modules and see the differences to a local macro. There are multiple ways to create macro modules. One is converting a local macro module into a global macro. We will use the network from the previous video local macro modules. Open the MeVisLab file. In the previous video, we created a local macro module representing a basic contour filter. You can open the internal network of your local macro to see what happens inside. Remember, local macros can only be used in your current network. You are not able to search for it and reuse it in other networks. This is what we are going to change now. Make sure you already created your own package. Packages in MeVisLab are explained in another video. They are necessary for creating macro modules. Okay, now right-click on your local macro and select Convert to Global Module. You can give your macro module a name and define an author. Set your genre to filters and select your previously created package. Set directory structure to self-contained so that all of your files belonging to your macro will be stored in a single directory. You also need to set a project for your macro which defines the name of this directory. You just created your first macro module. This module is now available in MeVisLab and can be found in Module Search or via Main Menu and your defined genre filters. You can now add a custom page in the MeVisLab help for your module. Open Context menu and create help. The MeVisLab text editor made opens and you can write your own module help. Write any example text and click Generate Help. Your module help is automatically generated and available in MeVisLab. A detailed description of made is available in another video. Once you generated the help file, you can open it via Context menu. The help opens in a new browser window. Another way to create macro modules is the Project Wizard. Select Macro Module and run Wizard. You can define the same information for your macro as done before. Select the target package for your macro, set directory structure to self-contained again and click Next. You will be asked for a network file. Select the MeVisLab file containing the modules to be added to your macro module or start with an empty network. You should also add Python scripting and create the module. Macro modules provide an easy way to encapsulate specific functionalities in a single module which can be reused in any of your later MeVisLab projects. Adding your own user interface with Python interactions to your macro module is explained in another video. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.